creatures of the universe. I'm sure you're doing good, thank God. I want to briefly talk about the easiest way of attracting money. It's simple. Put money in every corner of your house. If you get to see money all the time, you start thinking of money. And this thought comes with positive energy. This positive energy, and you start imagining yourself making more than you've seen. This thought will attract means of getting more money. Another means of attracting money. Once in a while, spray yourself money. Spray yourself money. When you spray yourself money once in a while, you start feeling rich. When you start feeling rich, the positive thoughts will definitely attract means of getting rich to you. It's as simple as this. Spray yourself money. Spray yourself money. There's a feeling that is coming on me right now as I'm spraying this money. Money is spiritual. It attracts favor. What I'm doing, you may not get to understand the meaning until you try it. Try it and testify. Another means of attracting money. Put it on the ground, mash it. Tell money, I control you, you don't control me. Mash money on the ground. Mash it, mash it, mash it. Simple as that. Practicalize what I'm saying. And thank me later. Thanks for watching.